What's up, Liron here, and today I'm cleaning up this mess. What's up, Liron here. Thank you for joining me in another video. And because I'm not in my routine, you get special videos. What I wanted to share with you today is my new studio space. It's a big mess, and this is why I wanted to show it to you before I organize it. It's in my new apartment, so I will give you a proper apartment tour, I suppose, in a while. I don't know when exactly, but there are a few things to do there, so I will wait just a bit with that. But I just wanted to give you a brief look at the studio space, okay? So this is the room. It's not huge, but it's also not small, so it's about 3.5 on 2.5 meters. In terms of the dimensions, I have so much crap here that I need to get rid of. Tons of boxes. Some things are mine, like if you take a look here, you get my tripods and all sorts of things. But if you look here, you have just a bunch of toolboxes and drills and stuff like that. There are cans of paint here that I need to get rid of. And the things are gonna go up either on the storage space on the roof of the building, or inside a special cabinet in the apartment. So what I'm gonna do is, yesterday I got really nervous about how to organize this place. Also, if you can see here, the AC isn't connected yet to electricity. I can just connect it, I just forgot, which is why I've been sweating buckets. I went into panic mode yesterday because I was like, how do I want to organize it? Where do I want to put everything? And then I started being stressed over it and wanting everything to be perfect from the start, which is not going to happen. So I'm going to take my time with this space. I think I'll start just by putting a desk, probably the desk I've been using so far, the one that has an angle that you can change. And then slowly I'll add more and more things here without stressing myself too much over what and how and where. I want to build it up slowly from necessity. So I'll start with the desk, then I'll add maybe some storage space for the paintings and for the art materials. I have a lot of decorations that some of them I got in the US. Let me show you. I have a few cool stuff here. So this is a gift from my girlfriend, this globe. Let me show you. It's a really fancy one. As you can see here, it has a wooden base. And it just looks super cool, and because I like to feel international, I would love to have this really close to my face. By the way, the last video, some people commented that they felt a bit dizzy, so I'm trying not to give you that same feeling of dizziness with this one. I'm trying to hold the phone properly. I don't even know why I shoot this with my phone. I have my camera here. But in any case, I also have I have this cool, well, I'm going to show it to you later. I have this cool eagle statue that I want to put up on my desk. I just love the way it looks, and I think it'll look good in my working space, meaning the laptop and things like this, not necessarily the art station. I also have this cutting board that I got that some of you commented that wasn't necessarily the most comfortable for seeing what I do. So I may switch that, or maybe just buy a plain black Bristol thing and put it over the desk and just use that because it'll give a better contrast with what I'm creating. It's morning, I just woke up like an hour ago, so I'm still a bit sleepy, sorry about that. What else is interesting here? I've got this huge Winsor Newton sketchbook, just meant for pen and ink or for pencil, which I hope I'll make a good use of. It's really a big one for a sketchbook. I tried sketching with it outside and it was one hell of an adventure. I've got here the old skateboard that I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with. I have a picture here. Let me show you. You see this? I actually found it and it looked really cool, so I decided to pick it up. I'm gonna turn it around so you can see. It says on it, I hope you can see this. It says on it, Doors of the French Quarter, New Orleans. So hopefully you can see. And it's just a bunch of pictures of doors from the French Quarter in New Orleans. And it just looked cool, and I was looking for something to hang up on the studio's door because there are a few weird stickers that the previous residents left there that I don't like, and I think that taking them off may take off the paint, so I just decided to cover it up with a poster or something like that. So I may take this one out of the frame this one, I can't aim, out of the frame and just put it on it. I want it to look good. Among my plans, in addition to all of that, is I want to create a really beautiful place to both work and, sorry, just organizing some stuff, both work and record. Got my guitar too. So to both work and record, I want it to look good, to look beautiful, and to just be of high quality. So with time, slowly, we're gonna build this place together. I'm gonna keep you updated on what I'm doing here. This is just a quick video to show you what I'm working on. I don't know if I'll do that, but I may crop in some footage of me organizing the place, maybe time-lapse. I'm not sure, maybe will just be the end of the video. But in any case, I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will keep you updated, and hopefully in the next few days, and definitely weeks, I'll be able to start recording as usual. The room may still be a mess, but my desk will be up and running, and so I will be able to record and shoot whatever I want and show it to you. But in any case, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and we will be back soon to the normal ones, just keeping you updated on what's been going on and what I'm working on and what I'm building here, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you again in another vid real soon.